Hey there, car enthusiasts. Today, we're taking a look at the Bling car push to start button cover accessories. If you want to add some glam to your ride, this is the perfect product for you. These crystal rhinestone car engine start-stop button covers are not only cute and girly, but they also provide strong protection for your car. They prevent the start button from getting scratched and keep your child from accidentally touching it. The best part? These accessories are widely applicable and fit almost 95% of cars, including Honda, BMW, Audi, Lexus, Ford, VW, Mercedes, Benz, Nissan, Cadillac, Jeep, Maserati, Volvo, Toyota, and more. Made of high-quality zinc alloy and Bling crystal, these cute car accessories are not only stylish but also durable. They make a great gift for anyone who loves to add a little bling to their ride. And the installation is a breeze. No drilling or welding required, making it easy to install and tear off without any traces. So, if you want to glam up your car and reflect your personality, click the link in the description to get your hands on these amazing Bling car push to start button cover accessories. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more car accessory reviews and tips. Happy driving!